Bitcoin is dumping soon. And guys, in this video I'm going to tell you and show you how the market is going to be going in the next few weeks, in the next few months. And guys, currently, as I always predicted, I said back in 2021 we see a massive relief pump and then a massive drop down of about 65%, 65.6% on Bitcoin back in 2021, and now it's 2026, 2025, 2026, and right now we're seeing the same pattern playing out. Which Bitcoin we did have a relief rally, and this one is very different. This relief rally just touched about $98,000, and we see a very significant rejection, bearish rejection from that point. And guys, are we going to be dumping as the 65.7% or 65.6% back in 2021? I'm going to be explaining everything in this video. And guys, with that being said, we made a massive profit this evening, 3.2k profit on Bitcoin and also on MGBX, Kucoin and Outbit and Bybit. Guys, make sure you guys click the link in the description below to be able to get this bonus for you guys, and you can join and claim over $5,000 bonus on Bybit, and also you can claim massive bonus on Outbit, MGBX exchange, and also CoinW. Link in description below, and also for the bank and others. And guys, let's get right into the video. So guys, back then in 2021 we can see a specific relief on this specific ascending channel. This ascending channel, we see a specific relief rally, and this relief rally prompt Bitcoin. We add the fake out, whoever is right there, we actually get duped out, and we dump for about 43.6k to 25.1k. This is very crazy. Same pattern is playing out in 2026 right now. We have seen the relief rally that touched maybe 98.7k, and right now we are about to see a massive rejection down to the downside. And guys, looking on the daily time frame, we can see that we are seeing a bearish flag on the daily time frame, which we are currently seeing. And guys, note that there is a semi gap around $88,000, and if this semi gap fills, we can know what's next. Actually, the semi gap is almost close, because Bitcoin current price right now is at $88,400, and this is very crazy. So if the semi gap gets fused and we are also going to the weekend, we can see a massive dump below, maybe $7,000 can do. If we say a dump below this bearish flag, we can then see a massive dump back to the downside. And guys, I'm going to be flipping to the chart right now to show you everything. And guys, with that being said, today the 1000% tariff was announced by Trump to the EU, the Europeans. So guys, this is very crazy. I think this is why the market tanked really hard, and also millions of dollars were liquidated. Long position were liquidated on Bitcoin, and it's very crazy. Let me show you the chart so that I can tell you what Bitcoin is going to be doing next and what should we be anticipating for Bitcoin next. Moving up to the weekly time frame, we can see that the RSI has already crossed. The RSI have already crossed, and right now we are seeing a bearish flag. This bearish flag can prompt Bitcoin to $76,000. And guys, this is where you need to be paying attention. We are seeing a bearish flag. So on the daily time frame, as I told you guys, we are seeing a bearish flag. And right now Bitcoin is around $88,400, and right now we are seeing this significant playing out. Guys, if we see a massive dump and a retest on this specific bearish flag, we can see a draw down to maybe $69,000 or $70,000. This is the area of support we still have that is very strong right now, and breaking below it is very going to be crazy for Bitcoin. And if we cannot hold that specific point, Bitcoin can drop more drastically. Guys, moving up onto the weekly time frame, let me show you guys the weekly time frame so that you can see what I'm talking about, because the daily time frame, the bearish flag have already confirmed, and this is going to be crazy. And also moving on to the weekly time frame, if you can see right now on the weekly time frame, we had the specific bearish dump I'm telling you about that we might be prompting to $27,000 on Bitcoin is very showing on the chart right now. We can see this engulfing candle right here of Bitcoin showing on this chart, and it's very important that you pay attention to something like this. And guys, in the meantime, we have seen this relief rally. The relief rally have already did this thing, touch I think about 98.2 thousand dollars, and then we see a massive rejection to the downside. Are we going to be pumping again before the massive dump? I don't know yet. So check back to 2021, see right here that Bitcoin did the same pattern. It actually did some manipulative weeks around here, did some manipulative week, then tank up to this point, then did a fake out at this point, then dump massively. It's just crazy. Will that be happening? I think so. So guys, history doesn't repeat itself, but actually history rhymes. And guys, this might be happening momentarily, this might be happening in the meantime. And guys, for me, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. As I told you guys, I'm very bearish on Bitcoin. And guys, moving on to the daily time frame, let's check it out. The daily time frame is very crazy for Bitcoin right now. Moving up to the daily time frame is what I'm still looking at, because the bearish flag, I need to take it, because I need to make actually good profit from it. I've already closed my positions on Bitcoin right now, so waiting for the next move until we fill the semi gap around $8,000. Once we fill the semi gap, we are going to be able to decide, are we going to be dumping below, or see a little bit of relief, pump a little to hit the next resistance, then we dump again. I don't know yet, so we need to stay updated. So once you get to the description of this video or in the pinned comment, just go to the description or the pinned comment. You're going to see the link to the free Signal group. Once you get the link to the free Signal group, you're going to join the group, and that's where I will update you on everything. And guys, make sure you guys click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment to actually register on those exchanges. They're giving out massive bonus to you guys, so make sure you guys participate in that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.